Is creativity the last frontier for artificial intelligence? Can a machine truly match the artistic flair and emotional depth of a human mind? These are questions that have been stirring in the minds of technologists and artists alike, as AI continues to infiltrate every aspect of our lives. Artificial intelligence, once the stuff of science fiction, is now a reality that's reshaping industries. Among these, video creation and art are experiencing a fascinating transformation. Traditionally, video creation has been a labor-intensive process, requiring a multitude of skills, from script writing and directing to editing and post-production. The art world too has its complexities, with artists pouring their souls into their work, creating pieces that resonate with viewers on a deeply emotional level. Enter AI. With advancements in machine learning and neural networks, AI is now capable of automating many aspects of video production. AI-driven software can analyze a script, determine the best shots, and even fine-tune lighting and sound. It can generate special effects and animations that would take a human editor countless hours to perfect. AI's influence in the realm of art is no less revolutionary. It's now possible for AI to generate digital art, creating intricate designs and patterns far beyond the capabilities of even the most skilled human artists. Some artists are even collaborating with AI, using it as a tool to push the boundaries of their creativity. This evolution is not just confined to the realms of video and art. It's changing the face of advertising, with AI-generated content making it easier for businesses to create compelling, personalized ads. The entertainment industry is seeing the rise of AI-driven animation, while educators are using AI to create interactive learning materials. One of the most profound impacts of AI in video and art is its potential to democratize creativity. With AI-driven tools, sophisticated video and art creation is no longer the exclusive domain of professionals. Anyone with a creative vision can harness the power of AI to bring their ideas to life. In summary, AI is transforming the landscape of video creation and art. It's enabling new possibilities, automating complex processes, and making creativity more accessible. As we look to the future, it's exciting to imagine what further advancements in AI might bring. Will we see AI that can not only mimic human creativity, but also enhance it? Only time will tell. For those eager to explore the creative possibilities of AI, InVideo AI is a tool that's worth checking out. It's a testament to how far AI has come, and a glimpse of the exciting future that lies ahead.